अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, आई होप आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। आप मुझे आज बताएंगे, हम आज रिवाइज कर रहे हैं प्लेस वैल्यूज़। आप सबको याद है हम लोगों ने पढ़ी थी? यस, सो व्हाट्स द प्लेस वैल्यू? वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million। सो अब आप लोगों ने प्लेस वैल्यूज़ को बहुत अच्छे से माइंड में रखना है। ओके, क्या आप लोगों ने अपने प्रीवियस पेजेस कंप्लीट कर लिए? यस, वेरी गुड। और अगर नहीं किए तो आप उसको जल्दी से कंप्लीट कर लें। तो आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं पेज 8 से। क्या है? लुक एट द बोर्ड, राइट द नंबर्स इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। व्हाट्स द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? Yes, in numbers form. Okay, so already हमारे पास किस में है? Expanded form में। हमें उसे कन्वर्ट करना है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में। अब हम कैसे करेंगे? It is very confusing. How can we do this? We will do it by writing our place values on top of the numbers like this. 7 have only ones. 40 have ones and tens. 800 have ones, tens and 100. 5,000 have ones, tens, 100 and 1,000. 80,000 have ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Same like that. 700,000 have ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Million, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay, so अब हम क्या ट्रिक यूज करेंगे? You have to be very careful about it. Okay, so हम देखेंगे from the right side कि 7 में हमारे पास क्या है? ones. अब हमें क्या चाहिए? tens. नेक्स्ट नंबर से हम सिर्फ टेंस लेंगे। लाइक वी टेक 7 फ्रॉम 1 टर्म, वी टेक 4 फ्रॉम 2 टर्म, फ्रॉम थर्ड टर्म वी विल टेक 100, वी विल टेक 8 एज 100. नाउ वी हैव 5,000. ओके, सो आफ्टर 100 व्हाट वी नीड? We need 1,000. So what's on the 1,000 place at 4th term? 5. Very good. Now move to the next. We have 80,000. We already take 5 for 1,000. Now we need 10,000. So what's at the 10,000? It's 8. Very good. Now move forward, and now what we need? 100,000. What we have at 100,000? That is 7. Then we need million. What we have at the million on the last term? That is 4. Now we get 4,785,847. Very good. Have you all done with it? Okay, so we should move forward. Very good. Now come to the part B. That is 3, 50, 100, 99,000. No, not 99. It's 9,000. 10,000. 300,000. And then 8 million. So hurry up, solve your part on your own. What we get? 8,319,153. You have to write on your books. Okay, fine. Move to the next. Rest of 3 points C, D, E. You have to do it on your own. How will you do it? You just have to write all the place values on the top of the numbers like this. Okay, very good. So next move to the question 8, that is place value puzzle. Oh my god, it's puzzle. It is confusing, but you do not need to get confused. But why? Because it's interesting, not difficult. Yes? So part A, what is the biggest number you can make using the digits? Okay, think, use your mind. Right? What you gonna do? You just have to take the biggest number for the biggest place value. You just have to do what? Take the biggest number for the biggest place value. Like this. What's the biggest number? 9. So what's the biggest place value you can put it here? That is 1000. You just have to write your place values on the top of the numbers. Then you will get what can be the biggest place value by these 4 digits. Okay? You get me? Very good. Like this. We can make 1000. So we take the biggest number for the biggest place value. So which place value you can put it here? That is 1000. We put 9 down the 1000. So then after that, little smaller for the little smaller place value. Okay, so if we have 1000, then what before that? 100. Very good. So what will you write at the 100 place? What's before 9? It's 7. It's 7. Very good. And what's before 7? 5. And what's before 100? It's tens. So 5 will be at tens place. Now move forward. That is what's before 5? It's 2. And what will be the last and smallest place value? 1s. Very good. So move to the next point. Write the number 557. It's so easy. 557. We just have to use 3 place values like 100, tens and ones. Very good. So what will be at 100 place? 500. You get me? Very good. 5 will be at 100 place. 57. So what ty means? Tens place. What? ty means tens place. 50 means you have to write 5 at tens place. So 5 will be at tens and what's left? 7. 7 will be at ones place. So rest of the 3 points, 7, C, D and E, you have to do it on your own. Let me read it with you. Which number is smaller? What you gonna do? You just have to see the first number of both the parts, like 8,219 and 5,901, right? So what will be the biggest? Which place value is the biggest? So what's the biggest place value? 8,000 or 5,000? 8,000? Very good. So we need the smallest one. So what will be the smaller? That is 5,901. Very good. Now you have to do all the question on your own. Our teacher will call you for your update. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.